In South Africa, national interest focuses on the blue bloods of the turf getting into form for the big autumn event. They're to be seen every morning on the Durban beach, being playful in the sand or limbering up next to the water's edge. After the dawn patrol on the sands, the horses leave for Greyville. Durban may spell holiday time for a lot of people, but to these thoroughbreds, it's hard work. Jockeys Marlin, Foster and Stowe have a quick smoke, and then it's down to work again. Mrs Garrett, wife of the well-known Cape Town trainer, watches the training with great interest. The big day is getting close now, and every gallop counts. Some of the fancied thoroughbreds are Blitz, Pigling Bland, winner of the Peninsula Handicap and the Union Day Handicap, and their great favourite of South African racegoers, Lenin. The horses look relaxed at the moment, but just wait till that 6,000-pound stake is in front of them.